Imagine waking up tomorrow and the sun is gone. No light, no warmth. In its place, a black hole. No explosion, no warning, just darkness, pulling everything toward it. The sun isn't just a bright ball in the sky. It's the reason Earth exists the way it does. It controls our light, our heat, even our orbit. So, what happens if something just as massive, but infinitely more dangerous, replaces it? Would Earth be instantly destroyed? Or would something even stranger happen?
Here's the first shocking truth. Nothing happens immediately. For 8 minutes, Earth wouldn't even know the sun is gone, because light takes time to travel. So for 8 minutes, everything feels normal. Then, suddenly, the sky goes black. The moment sunlight disappears, Earth is thrown into darkness. Temperatures begin to drop fast. Within days, the planet starts freezing. Within weeks, most life struggles to survive. But here's something surprising. If the black hole has the same mass as the sun, Earth wouldn't get sucked in immediately. It would keep orbiting. Normally. Same path, same distance. But now, around complete darkness.
The real danger isn't gravity. It's what we lost. Heat, light, energy. Without the sun, plants die. Oxygen levels drop. Food chains collapse. Earth becomes a frozen wasteland. Black holes don't just sit quietly. They can pull in matter and release massive energy. If debris forms around it, radiation could blast through space, making survival even harder. Could humanity survive this? Maybe, for a while. Underground bunkers, artificial heat. But long term, Earth would no longer be a home. A black hole replacing the sun wouldn't destroy Earth instantly. It would do something worse. Slowly, silently, it would kill it. So the real question is, if the sun disappeared tomorrow, would you even realize before it's too late?